Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter Definite Integration. In last class, we discussed some properties of the definite integration and problems of the definite integration. Today, we are going to discuss some more problems of the definite integration and one property of the definite integration. Now, let's see the problems of the definite integration. Evaluate 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Solution is, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Apply property number 5, that is I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 what sin pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x into cos pi by 2 minus x dx. That implies what? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, this is cos x and this is sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into sin x dx. Okay, now the remainder is same, this denominator is same. This is 1 plus sin x into cos x, this is also 1 plus sin x into cos x. Add equation 1 and 2. This is suppose equation 1, this is suppose equation 2. Add 1 and 2. So 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. LCM here, 1 plus sin x into cos x, sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x dx. That is plus sin x minus sin x goes cancel, this goes cancel. So what? 2y is equal to here 0. 2y equal to 0, I is equal to 0. This is the answer. Now question is 0 to pi x divided by a square plus a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx is equal to pi square by 2ab. Now solution is let I is equal to 0 to pi x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Apply property number 5, that is a minus, put x is equal to a minus x, this is pi. So I is equal to 0 to pi minus x divided by a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi minus x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into dx. So that implies I is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx minus x 0 to pi x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into dx. Okay, into dx. So here this is I, I is equal to pi into this is 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx minus I. So 2I is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. So this is property number 7. Here f of x is equal to what? Apply property number 7. F of that is pi minus cos pi minus x whole square cos square x plus sin square x. So apply the property number 8. Which property? This property is equal to 0 to 2a f of x ds is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x ds if condition is what? If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. This property satisfies here. So pi minus x put kale same roji. So here this is 2y, this is 2y, and now 2I is equal to what? Pi into 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2 and divide by what? Divide by this is 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So 2I is equal to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 and 1 by cos square means what? Sec square x divide by a square plus what? B square tan square x into dx. So and take b common here. 2I is equal to pi by 2, take common b square. So 1 by b square into 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx divide by a by b whole square plus tan square x. Okay, tan square x. So this is equal to 2y is equal to what? Pi by 2b square, and which formula is applied here? A square plus x square. Put tan x is equal to t here. Now put tan x is equal to t. Now put tan x is equal to t. For this, put tan x is equal to t, sec square x ds is equal to what? Dt. Sec square x ds is equal to dt. Now when t extends to 0, t tends to 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to infinity. Okay. So 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to here, that is for this here 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to pi by 2b square. Okay, this is what? Sorry, this is pi, not pi by 2, 2 times here. So 2 times here, 2 pi. So 2 goes cancel. Okay, so pi by b square, pi by b square. So pi by b square, pi by b square, and this is equal to what? Pi by b square 0 to infinity dt by a square plus b square plus t square. So this 2 cancel here, I is equal to, okay, now I is equal to here, I is equal to pi by b square, pi by b square. This is what, 1 by a, 1 by a means what, b square by b by a, b by a into tan inverse t by a by b, a by b. तो लिमिट 0 to infinity, तो I is equal to b cancel here, pi by ab, and this is what, put tan inverse, this is tan inverse infinity means what, pi by 2, and put a equal to 0, this is 0. So I is equal to what, pi square by 2ab. Okay, so this property, this is 2, not half, this is 2, because 2 times half. Okay, this is 2. Then another question. Prove that 0 to pi x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x ds is equal to pi by 4. Solution: 0 to pi x into sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Let this is equal to I. Solution: let I equal to this. Okay. Apply property number 5, that is a minus x property. 0 to pi minus x into sin pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. So that implies I is equal to 0 to pi minus x into sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. I is equal to 0 to pi into sin x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 x sin x divided by 1 plus what, cos square x into dx. This is I. Now I is equal to pi common here. Now I is equal to pi common, pi 0 to pi sin x by here 1 plus cos square x, okay, by 1 plus cos square x dx minus I. That implies 2I is equal to, that implies 2I is equal to pi into what, 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Clear? Now 2I is equal to, 2I is equal here, 2I is equal to here, put cos x equal to t. Okay, put cos x is equal to t, put cos x is equal to t minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, when x is equal to 0, t equal to, x is equal to 0, that implies t is equal to cos 0, t is equal to 1, x is equal to pi, t is equal to minus 1, t equal to minus 1. So 2I is equal to what, minus 1 to 1 dt here minus, this is what, 1 to minus 1, this is minus sign, divided by 1 plus t square. So change the limit, 2I is equal to, here pi is present, so minus pi here, okay, minus pi. Change the limit, this is 1 to minus 1, so this minus sign here, this is minus, change the limit, so plus minus 1 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square. So 2I is equal to pi into what? Tan inverse t. This is minus 1 to plus 1. So 2I is equal to pi into tan inverse 1 means pi by 4 minus of minus pi by 4. Minus of minus pi by 4. Minus of minus pi by 4. So 2I is equal to pi into this is pi 2 pi by 2. Pi by 4 that is pi by 2. Okay. And 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to what? Pi square by 2. So I is equal to pi square by 4. This is proved. Now another question. This is what? This is pi by 4, proved. Let I is equal to 0 to pi x divided by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x dx. Now apply the property number 5, that is a minus x property. I is equal to 0 to pi minus x divided by 1 minus cos alpha into sin pi minus x dx. So I is equal to 0 to pi and pi minus x divided by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x dx. That implies I is equal to 0 to pi common, that is 1 by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x dx minus 0 to pi x by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x dx. This is repeated here, I. So that implies I is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 minus cos alpha into sin x dx minus I. That implies 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by 1 minus cos alpha sin x into dx. Okay. Now we have to integrate this. This is in the form of what? A plus b sin x form. So we have to use tan x by 2 formula. What is sin x in terms of tan x by 2? What is formulas for sin x in terms of tan x by 2? So 2I is equal to pi into 0 to what? Pi 1 by, this is 1 by 1 minus cos alpha into 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx. So this is 2I is equal to pi into 0 to pi, and this is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 2 cos alpha into tan x by 2 into LCM what? 1 by tan square x. 1 by tan square x comes the numerator, that is sec square x by 2 into dx. Okay. Now 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to pi into, make the perfect square here, 0 to and 1 plus 0 to pi sec square x by 2. This is tan square x by 2 minus 2 cos alpha into tan x by 2 plus 1 dx. Okay, now put tan x by 2 is equal to what? Now put tan x by 2 is equal to, now put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now put tan x by 2 is equal to t, sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dt by dx, or sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to what? T is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi, t is equal to what? Infinity. T is equal to infinity. Now this is 2I is equal to what? Pi into 0 to infinity, and that is 2 dt. 0 to infinity, and x square sec square x by 2 ds is equal to 2 dt by t square minus 2 cos alpha into t plus 1. So 2 to cancel here. So I is equal to pi into 0 to infinity dt by t square minus 2 into t into cos alpha plus cos square alpha and 1 minus what? Cos square alpha. So I is equal to 0 to infinity dt by t minus cos alpha whole square, and this is what? Sin square alpha, means sin alpha whole square. So I is equal to x square plus a, so dx by x square plus a square formula. This is tan inverse 1 by a, means 1 by sin alpha, here pi, so pi by sin alpha into tan inverse t minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha. Limit is 0 to infinity. That is I is equal to pi by sin alpha. T equal in, if t equal to infinity, then tan inverse infinity is equal to pi by 2. If t is equal to 0, if t is equal to 0, then here we get, this is what? This is sin alpha, 1 by sin alpha, correct? And this is what? This is plus cos square alpha. 2 t square 2 cos alpha plus cos square alpha plus 1 minus cos square alpha. So this is what? This is t minus cos alpha, okay, and this is sin square alpha. So this is t minus cos alpha. If t equal to infinity here, then this is pi by 2. If t is equal to 0 here, this is what? Minus cot alpha. So this is tan inverse minus tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse what? If t equal to 0, minus cot alpha. So I is equal to pi by sin alpha. This is what? Pi by 2, and this is tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus alpha, okay, pi by 2 minus alpha. So here the solution is I is equal to what? Pi by sin alpha. I is equal to pi by sin alpha. This is pi by 2 Okay, and this is minus of pi by 2 minus alpha. So I is equal to pi by sin alpha. This is pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 goes cancel. Okay, pi by 2 and this is what? Minus pi by 2. Sorry, this is alpha minus pi by 2. Correct. This is what? Alpha minus pi by 2. Alpha minus pi by 2. So alpha minus pi by 2 means what? Alpha minus pi by 2, that is got what? Alpha minus pi by 2. Alpha minus pi by 2. So alpha minus pi by 2 means what? This is pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi and pi minus alpha. This is pi minus alpha. Okay, by sin alpha. This is proved. Because tan alpha minus pi by 2 equal to what? Minus cot alpha. But tan pi by 2 minus alpha equal to plus tan alpha. Okay. Now one properties and then after some short questions. Property number. Now property based on periodic function. What is periodic function? What is periodic function? Periodic function. Periodic function. The function f of x is said to be periodic if f of x plus t is equal to f of x, where t is the least positive quantity. Okay, where t is the least positive quantity. For example, देखो जो sin x को धरिबा ये 0, ये 2 पाई 4 पाई 6 पाई like this. तो आम sin x बदल जाते f of x sin x हम. If f of example f of x is equal to sin x, then sin 2 pi plus x what? F of x plus 2 pi, also that is sin x plus 2 pi is equal to what? Sin x. Similarly, f of x plus 4 pi is also, this is f of x, this is sin x plus 4 pi, this is equal to what? Sin x, that is equal to f of x. Similarly, x sin 2 pi plus x is equal to sin 4 pi plus x is equal to sin 6 pi plus x is equal to sin 8 pi plus x. तो भितर 2 pi 4 pi 6 pi भितर मिनिमम के मिनिमम डाला 2. Here minimum of what? Here therefore period of sin x is equal to 2 pi. One thing notice that sin 2 pi, this is suppose t. Allah, what is the least positive quantity called period. T टाकू पीरियड कहना लीस्ट पॉजिटिव होती अच्छी ये 4 देख 2 पाई 4 पाई 6 पाई इनका सेम रोचे मिनिमम टा कि 2 पाई. तो देखिले टी है एफ ऑफ एक्स इज नोट इफ टी इज द पीरियड ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. If t is the period of f of x, then f of x plus t is equal to f of x plus 2t is equal to f of x plus 4t. F of x plus 4t like this is equal to f of x. Okay, this is the properties of the period function. Now, properties of definite integral based on periodic function. Property 8. property 8. Let f of x be a periodic function, be a periodic function with period t, with period capital T. Then integration 0 to n t f of x dx is equal to n into 0 to t f of x into dx. Okay, this is the property. Proof 0 to n t f of x ds is equal to what? We can write 0 to t f of x ds plus t to 2t f of x dx. Okay, so this is what we can write here. You can write f of x plus 2t, here, then 2t to 3t f of 2t f of this is t, and this is what 2t, like this. 0 to that is n minus 1 to t n t f of t n minus f of x plus n minus 1 t into dx. Okay, so this is what this is. We can write this is what 0 to t something is, this is 0 to n t f of x ds is equal to 0 to t f of x dx plus 0 to t 0 to 2 is what minus t kale f of x dx. This is what 0 to t f of x ds plus 0 to nt 0 to nt f of x ds. So this is n times, so this is equal n into 0 to t f of x ds. एट कौन है गोटे प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी ना a to b f of x ds is equal to a minus c b minus c f of x plus c dx. ये गोटे प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी है। तो कौन हो देखो ये सब प्रॉपर्टी पड़ला एटा हला टी बीटा हला 2t एटा सी टा हो केते सी टा हो टी। तो ए माइनस सी कर दियो, ए माइनस सी माने 0 टू टी एडी माइनस एक्स प्लस 2t हो जीवो। ठीक अच्छे ये प्रॉपर्टी रे ए प्रॉपर्टी है आमर प्रूफ। ओनली प्रॉपर्टी दरकार आरो प्रूफ दरकार नहीं। ए प्रॉपर्टी गोटे क्वेश्चन करवा। ओके, व्हाट इज द पीरियड ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ एक्स? पीरियड ऑफ नोट पीरियड ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ एक्स। तो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ एक्स इज डिनोटेड लाइक दिस एंड डिफाइंड एज एक्स माइनस ब्रैकेटेड एक्स। its period is 1. Now one question related to this type concept. Now one question, evaluate 0 to 50 e to the power x minus bracketed x dx. Okay, solution is, it is the periodic function of period 1. integration 0 to 50 e to x minus bracket x ds. So period of x minus bracket x is 1. So this is equal to 50 into 0 to 1. 0 to 1 रे ब्रैकेट x टा x 1 पड़िबो. So 0 minus 0. So e to the 0. 0 to 1 with the x minus bracket x 0 hobo dx. So that is equal to 50 integration ds. This is 1 dx x 0 to 1, that is equal to 50. 1 minus 0, that is equal to 50 is the answer. Okay. Now some more questions from material. If f of 2 minus p is equal to f of p, okay, then 0 to 2 f of x 6, half to 6 f of 2u du equal to 7. So what is this? Find 0 to 8 f of, so this is equal to what? 0 to 2 6. Now 0 to 1 by 2 to 6 f of 2u du is equal to what? 7. Put 2u equal to t, 2 equal to what? dt by du. So 2 du equal to what? dt by 2. When u is equal to half, so t is equal to what? 1. When u is equal to 6, so t is equal to what? T is equal to 12. Okay. Sorry, the question is not 6 here, the question is 4 here. So this is 4 and u equal to, if u equal to 4, then t is equal to what? 8. Now this is what? 1 to 8 f of t dt by 2 is equal to 7. That implies 1 to 8 f of t dt is equal to what? Is equal to 14. Now 0 to 8. So we can write, this is what? 0 to 2, and this is, if u equal to half, then t is equal to 1. Clear? Then we have 0 to 2 f of x ds is equal to 6. 0 to 2 f of x is equal to 6. So this can be written as 0 to 2 and 0 to 1, 1 to 2, like this. Again, given that f of 2 minus p is equal to f of p and 0 to 2 f of x ds is equal to what? 2 times 0 to 1 f of x ds. Or we can write this is equal to what? We can write here 1 to 8 f of y dy is equal to 14. Here we can write 2 to, this is equal to what? This is equal to given this is equal to 6. 6 to 6. So 0 to 1 f of y dy is equal to what? 3. So this is equation 1. Now 0 to 1 f of y plus 1 to 8 f of y is equal to what? 3 plus 14. So that implies 0 to 8 f of y dy is equal to 17. So 17 is the answer. 17 is the answer. Now another question. This is minus 1 to 1 log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x ds. So what is this? This is one more question. One more question. So here f of x is equal to log 2 minus x by 2 plus x. Okay. F of minus x is equal to log of 2 minus of minus x by 2 minus x. So f of minus x is equal to log 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Okay. So f of minus x is equal to, we can write log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x whole to the minus 1. So f of minus x is minus f log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x. So here f of minus x is equal to f minus fx. So this is odd function. That implies log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x is odd function. Therefore integration minus 1 to 1 log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x dx is equal to 0 by according to property. Okay, according to property. Now another question. This is question. Let I is equal to 0 to pi x into log sin x dx. Apply property a minus x property. So I is equal, that implies I is equal to 0 to pi minus x into log sin pi minus x dx. So I is equal to 0 to pi minus x into log sin x dx. Log sin x dx. So I is equal to 0 to pi. So pi outside log sin x dx minus 0 to pi x into log sin x dx. Eta repeat hela. This is I. So I is equal to pi into 0 to pi log sin x dx minus I. So 2I is equal to what? Pi into 0 to pi log sin x dx, log sin x ds. Okay, now I is equal to what? I is equal to pi by 2 0 to pi log sin x dx. Now let I1 is equal to 0 to pi log sin x dx. So here I is equal to what? Pi by 2 into I1. Here I is equal to what? Pi by 2 into I1. This is pi by 2 into I1. Pi by 2 into I1. A type करा है इच्छा करो. That is I1 is equal to what? 0 to pi log sin x. Log sin x ds. A question H proper. Okay. This is the property. Which property? 0 to 2a f of x ds is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, apply this property. So 2a is equal to pi. So sin pi minus x equal to sin x. Now I is equal to 0 to pi log of or 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. This is I1. So I1 is equal to what? 2 times, this is 0 to pi by 2 property, fifth property by log sin pi by 2 minus x into dx. So I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Okay, now I1 is equal to, now this is I1 by 2 is equal to what? Or 2I1 था. I1 is equal to, add this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So 2I1 is equal to 2 common, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x into dx. So 2 to cancel here. So I1 is equal to so this is I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x into cos x dx. So into 2 by 2. So I1 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 log 2 sin x into cos x by 2 into dx. So I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x by 2 into dx. I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx. Okay, for first integral put 2x is equal to t, 2 ds is equal to dt. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to pi. So I1 is equal to what? 0 to, and ds is equal to what? Dt by 2. So 1 by 2 0 to pi log sin t dt minus log 2 into x 0 to pi by 2. So I1 is equal to what? I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 to cancel. This is I1 is equal to what? This is half and 0 to pi by 2 log 2. This is what? 0 to pi by 2 I1. This is I1 by 2. 2. Okay. So this is what? I1 is equal to 0 to pi or I1 or 0 to pi by 2. This is I1. Okay. 2 and this is what? This is I1. So I1 is equal to 1 by 2 I1 minus pi by 2 log 2. Now what? I1 minus half I1. So I1 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2 into what? Ln 2. So that implies I1 is equal to what? I1 is equal to cancel pi log 2 minus pi log 2. So here which this is I is equal to pi by 2 I1. Now we have I is equal to but I is equal to what? But I is equal to pi by 2 into I1. So I is equal to pi by 2 into I1 means what? Minus pi or this is what? Pi log half. That is pi into log half. So this is equal to I, that implies I is equal to pi square by 2 ln 1 by 2. This is answer. Okay. This is answer. This is answer. Due to this is the answer. I is equal to